is the Cook and Eat Show, and this episode is called What's in My Fridge. This is where I put together snacks and meals from stuff around my kitchen. Sometimes there's a plan. Most times I'm just making it up as I go. Let's see what happens. So in my last video, I used cauliflower, just a little bit of it. So of course I had more left over, and I really wanted cauliflower wings. But I was curious if I could make cornmeal battered cauliflower wings. The recipe seemed simple. I'll link it in the description. For the actual batter, I wanted to give it some flavor, but keep it pretty simple because I was just going to dip them all in barbecue sauce anyway. Let's get started. So again, this recipe is pretty simple. It's just a matter of adding the flour, the cornmeal, and the seasonings together, and then adding water. Something that I really wanted to do but didn't do in this video was add sweet potato fries to my wings. I love sweet potato fries. Love them, love them, love them. But I don't love having to chop up sweet potatoes. It's a pain in the butt. I'm considering investing in a French fry cutter of some sort. I'm sure that has to exist somewhere. Oh, right. So this is the part where I added way too much water. And then I spent a lot of time trying to add in more flour to fix it, which didn't help. It was still pretty loose. And then I added more flour, because that'll help, right? And it did kind of thicken up. I think I was using like a gluten-free or brown rice flour of some sort. I started adding in cornstarch. I was really trying, you guys. I was trying. It wasn't really working. And then I wanted to taste it and make sure if the flavor was still there. It was pretty good. So now we can start dipping everything in. Really, I just wanted to make sure that the batter wasn't so watery that it wouldn't hold when it came time to fry these up. But it's okay. It's not dripping. So this will work. One thing that I love is just watching stuff cook, and specifically watching stuff fry. I don't know what it is, but it is just such an enjoyable feeling. Maybe it's just me. Does anyone else feel like that? This didn't really take very long to cook at all, honestly. Something I did a little differently was, instead of just having paper towel underneath the cauliflower, I also had a really thin cloth to soak up that oil. So the next thing that happened is me realizing I didn't quite have enough barbecue sauce for all the cauliflower wings I made. So we are just gonna see how this turns out because I wanted them to be pretty saucy. And it seemed okay. I think I still had a little bit towards the end, just a little bit of sauce. Yeah, there it is. Doesn't that just look so good? And the batter was holding up really well with the sauce. It still felt pretty crunchy. I love food glamour shots. Okay, enough of that. So let's give this a taste. Yeah. Oh yeah. I had to put down my fork. This was good. This was so good. Oh my gosh. It was so good. So I'm gonna smash this whole bowl and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.